Purchase Plus Improvements mortgages. It's really the best combination of purchasing a new house and having the money for the renovation. This is how it works. You purchase a home and at the same time you have a contractor come in and put together a quote for the work that you want to have done in the property. The mortgage broker submits both your offer to purchase and the quote to the lender. The lender approves you for the full amount, the offer price and the renovations. Then you have 90 days to complete the work from the time that the deal funds. So that means the lawyer sends all the money to the seller's lawyer and you close on your deal. Then your contractor works for 90 days, and at the end of 90 days that your lawyer sends the money to the seller's lawyer on closing day, and then 90 days later they send the Purchase Plus Improvements money or the money for your renovation either to you or to your contractor.